there, craft kids, and welcome back. Today we are going to be drawing a super cute cartoon pig. This is a perfect drawing for beginners or if you're just trying to practice your skills.
And parents, if you'd like a printable, like a coloring page of this very same pig that we're going to draw today, or several of our other drawings that we've already done, check out our Craft Kids TV Creativity Vault. You can find it by just going down to the first comment and looking at the pinned comment, and the very first link you see, that's the vault. See you there.
All right, grab your markers and your favorite pencil.
And let's jump into this drawing together. All right, our first move is going to be an oval a little above half the page. It's going to be the snout of our pig. It'll be something like this. And our ovals don't have to be perfect, do they, Madeline?
Nope.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
Fun, that's right. So let's put some nostrils in here. We're gonna do circle and circle. Okay, so next are the eyeballs, and we're gonna place them just to the right of the nostril and to the left of this nostril, but up here. So we're gonna have a circle like this, just to the right of this nostril, but above, and a circle up here, just to the left of this nostril, but up above. We're gonna go ahead and color these in, all except for a little light reflection spot right up in the top right of each of them. Okay, next we are gonna draw a bigger oval around the whole thing to represent the pig's head. And we're gonna do this by I'm going to mark a spot here and mark a spot here. And the way I've chosen that is to go just outside the snout and down, and just outside the snout and down. That'll just be a little bit of a guideline for me. And once I have that, I will then complete an oval to represent the pig's head. You did good. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the legs, which are way out in front, and they're gonna look like two really tall W's. Okay, you ready for this? So we're gonna come down, probably like a pen cap or a little bit more, but about a pen cap. Come down a pen cap. And just about in line with the edge of his face, we're gonna draw a fairly tall W. And that one we're gonna hope ends up in the middle, and we're gonna put right next to it another W. Okay, so you've got two W's, right side by side. So these are going to represent the front hooves of the pig. And next we're going to just do a little curved line here to separate the hoof from the leg. All right, next we're going to draw the body, and that is going to be a big ovalish type shape that's going to come down from the side of the face, and it's going to run right into the front right hoof of the pig. And then we're gonna see it go through. If you drew it low like I did, you're gonna see it go through here. You're gonna see it come in between the 2 feet, in between the separation, and then we're gonna connect it back up to this side. So now our pigs have bodies. Nice. Next, we are going to draw the ears. Pig's ears, and these are going to start just above the eyeball, and they're going to look like this. They're going to curve out and down. They're going to come to a point right out here, and then it's going to go back into the head like a teardrop. Getting close to the end here. Next, we're going to follow this across, and we're going to try to duplicate this ear, and it's going to it's going to curve out or curve up, out to a point over here, and then it's going to teardrop in right back to the face. Okay, lastly, before we color, we're going to add a squiggly tail. 1, 2, 3. And all we have left is to color. All right, Mads, we forgot one last step. And that step is going to be to put in a couple of lines in the ears, like this, to just represent some interior parts of the ear. So here Maddie is just adding in those last couple details, and Now we'll thicken and we'll color and we'll show you what we have. I just wanted to point out during this particular process here, while I'm thickening, Maddie is figuring out, she's really good at picking out the colors, and so she's doing a little bit of color selection as I finish up thickening. And I just wanted to point out how at this stage we're just really trying to make everything look a little bit nicer by thickening it up. It almost looks like a coloring page as it is. And then we're getting into the coloring, and during this process we only have, you'll notice we switch colors, like we share them because we only have one of each color. We're working with a really nice set of oil markers, but its time is coming close to an end with this particular set because we're finding more and more markers that are just simply running out, which is to be expected. We've been in use now for just over a year, and we're getting more and more limited. It's like 120 markers or so, and we're definitely down to way lower numbers on that. And we just went with a really basic color scheme, some different shades of pink, essentially some grays, and we just really wanted it to look pretty basic. No shading on this one.
Oink oink! Here are our amazing, awesome cartoon pigs.
Parents, if you want a free coloring page of this very same pig, or a step-by-step guide on how to draw it, check out our Craft Kids Creativity Vault.
To get to the Craft Kids Creativity Vault, all you have to do is go to the first link in the pinned comment in the comment section, and it'll send you right to the Craft Kids Vault.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on one of our weekly drawing tutorials. Also, we're always constantly adding things to the vault, so make sure you go there. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, see you in the next video.